Today we have the 2017 Auto Trail Comanche. This vehicle has done just over 27,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living area, and as we'll be able to see from the pictures, this transforms into our double bed, making this motorhome 4-berth, 2 belts. Next up we have our kitchen, complete with our sink, oven and cooker, our microwave just above, and behind me is our fridge freezer. To my left we have our shower, and to the right is our bathroom. Next up is our 2 rear beds. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as voice control. On the right, we have hands-free calling. Moving on to our screen, we can access our radio, media, navigation, smartphone integration, and more. We have our 2 reversing cameras, and just below is our AC.